Hi Priyanka.
Hello.
Myself Savitri from Quality Department. Today I'm going to take a feedback from video from your side. First of all, congratulations for your placement, Priyanka.
Thank you. Thank you.
So Priyanka, can you introduce yourself, like your name and college name?
Yeah, my name is Priyanka Puppala, and I have done my engineering from PVP Siddhartha Institute of Technology, Vijayawada. Basically, I'm from Vijayawada. Now I'm residing in Bangalore, and I have done interior design site management course from CMTI.
Okay. Priyanka, have you got to know about CMTI?
I know Ashok sir. He is my husband's ex-colleague. So he referred.
Okay. So in CMTI, which course you have taken?
Interior design and site management.
Okay. In that, what you learn?
Yeah, I have learned SketchUp, AutoCAD, design softwares, and some theoretical knowledge.
Okay. How was the online classes?
Yeah, very very good.
Which are the softwares you have learned?
AutoCAD, SketchUp, and V-Ray.
Okay. You have visited various site and showroom visit, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. What are the site visit, showroom visit you have visited?
I have visited Aristo, Niladri Ceramics, Srishti Interiors.
Okay. What you learn in that?
And I have gained real-time experience. I get to know in detail about materials, their finishes, like that.
Okay, Priyanka. So, have you used our CMTI app?
Yeah.
Okay. How it was useful to you crack the interview?
I mean, after classes, if I have any doubts, I go through that app. It has detailed some. I mean, it is very detailed. So I learned from that.
Okay. So, how was the online coordinator or trainer support towards you?
Yeah, I mean, they are very responsive.
Okay. So, which role you have selected?
Interior designer.
Okay. How many rounds are there? Like
Rounds, single round. Yeah.
Okay. So finally, what you want to tell about you CMTI for juniors or friends who wanna join to CMTI?
If you want real-time experience about whatever field, I mean, about construction or interiors, you must join here. You can learn a lot about your, I mean, your course, and yeah, I have gained really so much knowledge about softwares, and the staff is very friendly too. They are very responsive. Even if you choose offline, hybrid, anything, you'll get a real very good experience. I mean, experience.
Okay. Finally, thank you for your feedback, Priyanka. Once again, congratulations for your placement. Have a bright future.
Thank you so much.